So here's how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't miss any important steps. Selling on Facebook Marketplace is a relatively simple process. It's a platform where you can list your products or items for sale to local buyers. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Start selling on Facebook Marketplace. You will need a Facebook account. If you already have a Facebook account, you have to just go to the Marketplace option. On the mobile, it is usually located at the bottom of the screen. You have to click on it. Once you have opened the Facebook Marketplace, now here you have to click on the sell option at the top left corner. Here, as you can see, the list of the products that other people are selling. You have to simply click on these products if you want to buy any one of these. Once you click on the selling option, now here you will be able to see this option. Then here you have to click on the create listing. After that, here you have to select that what you want to sell on Facebook Marketplace. Then you have to choose your listing type. You can select the type of the listing you want to create: items for sale, vehicles for sale, rental property, job opening, and more. For most general sales, choose an item for sale option. Once you have selected this option, now here you have to upload clear and attractive photos of the item you want to sell. Write a detailed and accurate description of the product, including its condition, features, and any relevant information that potential buyers might find useful. As you can see in this listing, the lack of description that doesn't attract the buyers. So if you really want to generate sales through Facebook Marketplace, you have to add all of the necessary information related to your product. After that, you have to set the price. Determine the price you want to sell your item for. You can choose to include a fixed price or allow buyers to make offers. Facebook Marketplace is designed for local sales, so it will automatically use your current location. You can also adjust the location if you want to sell to a nearby area. You can manage your listing from the selling tab on the marketplace. You will be able to view your active listing, mark items as sold, and delete or edit listings as needed. Remember to follow Facebook community standards and commerce policies to ensure a positive selling experience on Facebook Marketplace. So that's how to sell on Facebook Marketplace.